Hello everybody, Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here, and I am on to number 21, Word Error Trapping, a program from 101, Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, one of my favorite old computer books on my favorite old computer system, the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A. We're going to go ahead and read this program description, type the program into the Classic 99 emulator, give it a whirl, see what it does, and see what we can make it do, and see what we can learn from it. This is a short program, so it's not going to take too much time to type in the program, so this will be kind of a short video. If you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more TI-99 4A related content, along with various other retro computing, retro gaming, retro programming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational content. And be sure to check out my Twitch channel as well under Cozy Azeroth. That is my handle on Twitch for all the same kind of content. And remember to like, subscribe, and especially subscribe on both platforms. Subscriptions really help me out as I try to grow my channels and in these difficult times. Okay, without further ado, let's jump in. Number 21, Word Error Trapping. Suppose the program, as in this example, asks at line 10 for a word. It is looking for yes or no. If it gets a yes, then line 20 sees that it got what it wanted and moves operations along to line 100. If it gets a no, then line 20 hasn't received what it wants, so program execution moves on to line 30. Here at line 30, the program finds something useful and shoots operations down to line 200. If, however, neither yes nor no were entered at line 10, then neither lines 20 nor 30 would be satisfied, so action would drop to line 40. Here, the error is trapped by commanding the operator to give one of the two correct answers. Then at line 50, the operation is returned to line 10 for a new try at the correct input. Okay, so this is a very short program, just basically validating user inputs. So let's get into TI Basic and Classic 99. This is not going to take much time to type in. And right off the bat, we don't even clear the screen, we're just right off into the input statement here. Okay, input. Want to play again? Question mark, and let's see, we have a space, and end quote, and we're going to call that a string. 20, if a string equals yes, if a string equals, quote, yes, then 100. 30, if a string equals, quote, no, then, I think it said 200, yep, 200. 40, print. Please answer only yes or no. Only yes or no. 50, print. Yeah, so all this program does is validate the user input. So this is not designed to be a standalone program. Obviously, this is designed to be part of a larger program. 60 go to 10, which could be used for, parsing as part of a parsing for maybe text adventure game inputs, things like that. Although parsers are a bit more complicated than this. Oh, not line 70. Goes from line 60 to line 100. So line 100. Print. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Actually, looks like space, quote, and then a string. And basically it's going to say thank you for that yes or thank you for that no. Thank you for that no. It's a very polite computer. Wouldn't it be nice if everyone said that? Like, said to Amanda, no, you can't do something. She said, thank you for that no. Very polite. Can I go to the mall? No. Thank you for that no. In fact, I'll modify the program to do that. Here in a minute. Oh, I actually typed in one extra print line here. We've got a fixed line 130. 130 go to 10. And 200 go to 100. Okay. Let's clear the screen. List it out. Look for any obvious errors here. So this is going to be a very short program run. Want to play again? So if we type yes, it'll say, thank you for that yes. Want to play again? Say no. Thank you for that no. Want to play again? Maybe. Please answer only yes or no. Want to play again? Okay, let's do a couple. We'll do a little cosmetic surgery on this program. Let's add a call clear statement here. Clear the screen first of all, and make it a little easier on the eyes. Get a nice screenshot of it. Let's run it. Want to play again? Yes. Want to play again? No. Want to play again? Maybe. There we go. It's a nice little screenshot for the thumbnail. Okay, so you get the idea. It basically just validates the user input to make sure that only one of two answers is accepted, and other than that, you get stuck, and it says please give only one of these two answers. So let's have a little fun with this program. This is a short program. So let's, rather than want to play again, we could say line 10 input. Hey mom, can I go to the mall? Here you go, my love. We're going to change this so the input says, hey mom, can I go to the mall? Oop, incorrect statement in 10. What did I do? Oh, yep, I forgot to add the variables. Give me 1 sec to fix this little 10 input. Hey mom, can I go to the mall? And we're going to call that, I think it was a string originally, right? Yep. Okay, here we go. Let's give it a whirl. Hey mom, can I go to the mall? Yes. Thank you for that yes. Hey mom, can I go to the mall? No. Thank you for that no. Hey mom, can I go to the mall? Maybe. Please answer only yes or no.
That's fine.
Okay, that is fun. All right, that was a very, very short program fragment, essentially. Word error trapping was just basically a way of validating user input to make sure the user input conforms to one of only a number of acceptable answers. Again, it's designed to be part of a larger program. Let's peek ahead. What's the next program? Character numbers. So we're going to come back and do character numbers next time. I don't think I'm going to get to it right now, so if you're watching me do these one at a time, hang tight. I'll be back at some point in the near future, possibly tomorrow, possibly over the weekend, with character numbers. But if you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for other videos in this series, along with other Texas Instruments TI-99 4A content, various retro computing, retro programming, retro gaming streams, lots and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, along with miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me, professionally and personally. And be sure to check out my Twitch channel, Cozy Azeroth, where you can watch me stream in real time on all the above topics. And on both platforms, please remember to like and especially subscribe. Subscriptions really help me out in these difficult times. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I will be back in the near future, probably tomorrow or the next day or over the weekend, with number 22. What is number 22? We said character numbers. I'm not even going to bother reading it yet. We're going to save that for next time. Again, thanks for watching. I will catch you on the other side.